So this is skill two. If you're watching this skill, I'm still confused to why you don't know how to find the slope of a line given 2 points, or they're given the points on the line, or you have to find the 2 points. We, speaking to your math teachers, don't know what you're doing wrong. So this video is to help you. Yes, you that is listening to figure out what you're doing wrong because we just don't know. So, just a reminder, and what I'm about to say, I want you to write down, okay? Because I'm not going to write it down. I expect you to write it down. And so when you come up with your notes, it should be written down. Okay, so write this down. Positive slopes rise to the right. Positive slopes rise to the right. Negative slopes rise to the left. Okay. Positive slopes rise to the right, negative slopes rise to the left. So when I'm looking at this problem right here, I should not be confused about what's going to be positive and what's going to be negative. And then I just simply do my rise over run. So here we're going from this dot to this dot. I teach my students go from left to right. So I rise up 1, see that? And I run over 2. So M, the slope of this line, will be 1 over 2. I can't even make it harder than what it is, y'all. So I can't even just talk about anything else because it's pretty simple. So here we're going from this dot to this dot. Again, I go from left to right. So I'm going down 2 to the right 2. So M would be -2 over 2. Which reduces to -1 over 1, or some people will just say -1. All of that I wrote, you write it down. Okay? So what happened here was that whoever did this just skipped this space right here. I could have put a dot there and went down 1 to the right 1 and got -1 over 1. Down 1 to the right 1. Remember, rate of change is constant. -2 over 2 is the same thing as -1 over 1 as we see here. The slope of this line is going to be what, people? Negative. You know why it's going to be negative? Because it's rising to the right. Yep, that's what happens. Yep. Sarcasm is there. All right, so we're going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down 5. And I'm going to the right 1, 2, 3, 4. To the right 4. So the slope of this line is -5 over 4. It can't be simplified. It's just -5 over 4.